Yo, what's up, man? So today I'm going to be talking about how to make a Thanksgiving dinner as easy as possible. This is for a small to medium sized turkey. The turkey I used was about 7.5 pounds. It was classified as a young turkey. So let's get right into Thanksgiving. Okay, so let's start off with the sauce. You need 6 tablespoons of olive oil, about a few tablespoons of crushed garlic, some brown sugar, orange extract, soy sauce, and then you want to get some fresh herbs such as basil leaves or thyme. I got mine from a restaurant that was very expensive that I went to the night before, and I just kept it and took it with me and put it right in the sauce. So you're gonna cook that for a while and let it thicken up, and then you're gonna use the young turkey and then get some tablespoons of garlic and onion powder, smoked paprika. I didn't have smoked paprika, so instead I used this sweet and sour sauce. Basically just used a dash of that, and then used a pinch of cayenne since I didn't have that smoked paprika. I then used the salt, uh, the black pepper, and the brown sugar. Now this is basically a 1 to 1 to 1 ratio with that. Mix it all together, rub it on your turkey every 20 minutes. You're gonna put a glaze of your sauce that you made earlier onto your turkey. But before that happens, and before the turkey even goes into the oven, you're gonna rub that turkey real nice with that mix that you made. Cut the skin a little bit, go under the skin, rub it, go over the skin, and if possible, at least let it marinate in the rub for 12 hours. But for the first 30 minutes that the turkey is in the oven, it will be on 400 degrees. And then after that, every 20 minutes, you're going to do a glaze of that sauce that you made. This keeps the turkey from burning, and it just cooks the sauce and caramelizes it. It's very nice, and you can have yourself a nice Thanksgiving. My sides, I just made angel haired coleslaw. My dad made some gumbo, and then I made a potato, onion, and pepper dish, as well as a mushroom cheese sauce. I'm not going to go on how to make those, but let me tell you what, this was the best Thanksgiving I've ever had. And to top it off, I had some of my favorite people with me, which is all you need. And if you see here, we're doing the Welch family toast. Um, yeah, that's it. You can use this recipe. I know this video was quick and I talked fast, but I hope you enjoyed.
Uh-huh.